Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to automatically clear the cache on your Xiaomi device every time it is turned off. So let's dive in. Open the Xiaomi security app on your device, and on the home page itself, in the upper right corner of the screen, you will see an option in the shape of a hexagon that you will click on. Then in the drop-down menu on the new page, you will look for the battery optimization option and then click on it. By clicking on the battery optimization option, the following page will open where you will also go down to the option, Clear Cache when device is locked, and click on it. The app will open a small window with the options offered, more precisely in how many minutes the cache should be cleared when you put the phone in a dormant state. It is up to you to decide which minute you want to choose or not. When you choose, it will automatically switch. Now your phone will automatically clear the cache whenever it is turned off. And that's it. By enabling this feature, you can keep your Xiaomi device running faster and more efficiently without any extra lag. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for your devices. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.